want to find a remainder when this given large number is divided by 12. You'll begin by splitting that 12 into two co-prime factors or factors that have nothing in common except for 1. So I know 3 times 4. I want to check what remainder does these individual number leave upon dividing each of them. So if a number is divisible by 3, then obviously the sum of digits has to be a multiple of 3. 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, so no remainder, okay? 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, so again no remainder. 3, 3, 3, 3, they're all multiples of 3, so I'm getting rid of it. 4 plus 1 is again 6, which is definitely divisible by 3. Now upon dividing this 4, it will definitely give me what? 1 as the remainder. So the remainder here, this is the only number that is not divisible by 3. So what you'll do is you'll times the remainder. The answer here is 0, telling me that upon dividing by 3, this entire number, if I'll divide by 3, then the remainder will be 0. It's exactly divisible. Now you'll check the same thing for 4. A number is divisible by 4 when the last two digits are forming a number divisible by 4. So if I'll take this number 25, I know 25 is not perfectly divisible. It will leave a remainder of 1 because 24 is the nearest multiple. 22, as in 2 will be the remainder because the multiple nearest to 22 is 20. Now for this, what will I do? I'll look at the last two digits, 33. 4 times 8 is 32, giving me 1 as the remainder. So times this remainders together, I get 2. So now what you'll do is you want to figure out a number that gives me 0 as the remainder when divided by 3 and it gives me 2 as the remainder when divided by 4. I'm trying to do it in the simplest possible manner, no theorems and nothing, okay? So thereby you want to do in a way that help you get the answer here. You want to find one number that gives you a remainder of 0 when divided by 2. So it has to be a multiple of 3, correct? The number has to be a multiple of 3, but it has to leave a remainder of 2. So definitely the closest number that is going to leave a remainder of 2 when divided by 4 is 6, right? Because if I'll divide 6 by 3, no remainder. If I divide by 4, I get the remainder 2. Thereby, the answer has to be 6. Note that there are many other approaches of doing these questions, but this is the simplest way you can figure out the remainders without having to use any theorems.